Hello, my hair's longer since the last one, but here we are at another video village full of stuff. The fine people at Screenworks have given us all kinds of exciting gear to play with. This is a Matt Waters Hippo rack. This top machine is what drives the blend. It's set in pan mode. This machine is in dual mode. It's handling the LED wall and the gauze projection. And then these machines are direct copies. And through tech, through the magic of the Barco Folsom Matrix Pro 8x8 DVI router, we were running off spares for various chunks of time as we were doing various configuration things. Everything hits a Folsom here. We are converting everything to HDSDI to send around the arena. So that's what these two do, and the scrim projection, those go to the projector stack out in front of house. This one, for no real reason, we just clock it back through a Folsom to then go to the LED wall. It's coming in and going out at the same resolution as are all the rest of these. We've got test patterns up now because we're dialing in.
Why, Sean, the post-production suite, which is also connected to the Hippo rack via networking, has just delivered a crop of new media for you to implement in the Hippos.
Great, let me do that.
Fantastic.
Let me turn this on. Sorry if I seem a little sleepy. How's this not on? Hello. Yay, it's on. Just had to warm up. So what I do now, as opposed to zookeeping to pipe everything over the network, I just have all the content delivered to a folder on the spare, which is here. Brought home Postgrim 10, that's already in there. Medley bottom, Ganesh LED. Do that. Just starts encoding. Takes a couple minutes because they are full song-long renders. But yeah, light turns green and the trap is clean. While that's baking, here we have a fantastic Doremi rack with all kinds of random playback. This does nothing in the show, but it's good to have it. Audio comes back through for recording the show. This is NORAD. It's a rack of blinky lights, because what video village is complete without a rack of blinky lights? I have no idea what this does. I don't know why it's here, but I'm glad it's here. And then over here we have the camera previewing rack. That's important, where our fine engineer, who also plays with our hypnotizers, shades cameras. And then over there is our fantastic control system for switching cameras. The Hippos, of course, are driven all at front of house, where we will be soon. I think that's about it. I suppose we should look at the back of the Hippo rack.
Hippos are driven front of house by?
Grand Amaze. Grand Amaze 2 is running in MA1 mode. So despite the looms hanging down, as you can see here, this is what a Hippo rack is supposed to look like. Nice clean labels, rack bars, you know, here's your network connections that go out the front of house. This is your HDSDI lines. Here's the camera input line, cooling fan, and this is just here because it's going by. But yeah, Matt Waters built us a fine Hippo rack. Screenworks racks are very nice and clean, and our fine engineer has labeled everything up for our show. Should I start talking now?
Yes.
Okay, great. So this is our combined template for the projection on the stage pieces. The problem that we realized was that things are going to move around every day. Things will be at different trims. As you know, if a low trim, everything has to crush down.
For those people who are seeing this two-dimensionally and just seeing that video, can you explain what's going on?
Right, sure. So there's a center fascia there, which is that white Kirtley line.
Yep.
And then it has 3 rosettes above it. There's also rosettes on left and right, which is what those round things are.
And those 2 column shapes are actually columns.
Yes, and there's 2 actual hanging columns. Now what happened today, we've already adjusted for it, but we have the control with the columns. Everything's an independent layer, and all the media was made this way as well. So we actually have control of the columns, where we can change how far apart they are, in addition to where they want to go. So we can move them wherever they happen to be. So in this particular case, we want to hop down to the columns here, grab both sides.
Hey, Amos.
Grab the right knob is always helpful. And map that there.
Awesome.
And then my lovely assistant Sean Kelly here, who's the actual projectionist for the tour. Say hi to the people at home, Sean.
Hi, people at home.
Sean, step through the Q stack and adjust the other parts for the flying viewers at home. While I take a quick call. So yeah, step to the queue that's where you grab both. Ronnie McShaughnessy.
Yeah. You just put it in the stuff me folder.
Do that from there.
You need stuff me.
Okay.
So zero those out.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Yeah, put them. Pick one number. And put them both at 158.
Excellent.
Oh, for sure. Put them all in the middle. Yep, great. Yeah, make that 128 as well. Yep, great. Then wheel one and the other to drive them where they need to go.
Voila.
Showing update. Oop, yeah, you're right. Yep.
Is the
Then,
off-stage column